So we will learn about even functions. We're going to introduce even functions and find ways to identify if a function is even. So an even function is one that is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. All that really means is that the y-axis is your line of symmetry, which also means that the y-axis is the line that divides your function into two equal halves, or the graph into two equal halves. A simple way to identify that is if f of minus x equal to f of x, your function is even. So let's revisit symmetry for a second. So you can see here that at this point right here, this line, your y-axis, the function, or the two sides of the function look like mirror images of one another. So that is how you have the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry divides an object or a shape or a graph into two equal halves. So we are trying to find out if this function is even. So the rule is that if f of x equal to f of minus x, we have an even function. So f of x equal to x to the power of 6. Let's look for what f of minus x is going to be. F of minus x is going to be equal to negative x to the power of 6. So we have a negative number with a positive exponent. So this is going to be equal to x to the power of 6. So we can see that f of x and f of minus x are the same. So f of x equal to f of minus x, x to the power of 6 equal to x to the power of 6. So we have even function. So this is an even function. Let's look at another example. So we have f of x equal to x squared minus 25. Our rule says that for a function to be even, f of x must be equal to f of minus x. So let's try it. Let's find out what f of minus x is. So f of minus x is going to be equal to minus x squared minus 25. So we have negative number, positive exponent. So we have x squared minus 25. So f of x here is equal to f of minus x. So we have an even function. Final example, we have f of x equal to x to the power of 3 plus 4x squared minus 5x plus 2. Now our rule states that f of x must be equal to f of minus x for the function to be even. So let's check. So f of minus x is going to be equal to minus x to the power of 3 plus 4x minus x to the power of 2 minus 5 minus x plus 2. So minus x to the power of 3, negative number with an odd exponent, is going to be negative x cubed, plus negative x power of, the exponent is positive, or rather is even, so we have 4x squared, and here we have minus 5 minus x, so that's going to be plus 5x and plus 2. So we can see that f of x is not equal to f of minus x, so therefore the function is not even.